Hello and welcome. For those of us having problem getting their profile code for JAMB registration, you know that JAMB has stopped registration on May 29th, but there has been a waiver for them for 2 weeks to go to JAMB office and do their registration. So this is a very important news, and that is why here in Tclassified.com or in educateafricans.com, we'll relay this news to you immediately whenever it comes out. Our students all over the country, all over Africa, we get you news to you as at when due. So this is our platform, Educate Africans. If you scroll down, you're going to see the news section. Every news you need as a student is there. Every news you need as an African student, Nigerian student, related news, you can see UTME JAMB grants 2 weeks waiver for candidates that did not complete their registration. So if you're having any problem with your registration, you can go to JAMB office. That is where you need to go. It's no longer CBT center or other registration center. Go to JAMB office. You'll be required to raise a draft. And this window is actually from 31st, being Monday to 15th. So you can see it here. UTME JAMB grants 2 weeks waiver for candidates that didn't complete their registration. So if you have any why your registration was not completed, like you remember in my last video when I was teaching, I was begging JAMB to be able to uh, extend this a little bit. So you can see uh, has granted 2 weeks waiver for candidates who failed to complete. Under this period, we have from May to 31st, which is on Monday, to June 15. Candidates in this category to visit any JAMB admission and matriculation office, including JAMB-owned professional test centers across the nation to complete their registration. The board head of media and protocol, Dr. Fabian Benjamin, made this known in a statement he released on Monday morning. So this statement was released on Monday, I think after their meeting. The statement, which said, due to time constraints within the window available to JAMB on the Annual National Examination Timetable, further extension of the registration period is not feasible, explained. It's not feasible. They explained that nevertheless, the board is desirous of availing every prospective candidate the opportunity to still participate in the 2021 registration exercise. All prospective candidates with genuine proof of failed effort to register before the closing date are to between Monday 31st May to 15th June 2021 visit any of the JAMB offices or PTCs, professional testing centers across the nation to obtain at no cost and complete a form which is being made available to candidates with genuine reasons for missing the registration. Statement said they are also to submit for reading text and application a certified bank draft of 4,000 only in favor of JAMB. So you're gonna eventually make a draft of 4,000 to enable this to happen. Okay. So that is the news. The exam still is on 19th. So this extension does not mean that the exam has been postponed or shifted. So everybody have to work towards writing the exams on 19th. So this you can get on our website, Educate Africans. You can go here and read it more so that you understand what is happening. So every news you need as a student preparing for JAMB or WAEC, you can always get them on our website, educateafricans.com. You can also have your lectures here. So once you come to this platform, Educate Africa, click on student registration, register as a student, then click on this all courses. Then you see all the courses that you are having. So you keep playing them. So this is geography, this is CRS, this is literature in English. Any of these courses you click on, you start having the classes. So make sure you register as a student so that when you click, the courses will be able to open for you. So we've organized according to your curriculum all the courses that you need in order for you to pass. So go and start studying. You don't have much time again. You have like 2 weeks from now till 19th of the month for you to write your exams. Okay, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Please like and share our videos so that your friends will see them and have the information they need in order to move forward. Okay, thank you. God bless you. See you when I see you.